Hey everyone, welcome back to Car in 3 Minutes channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automobile reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the all-new Volkswagen Taigo, a sleek and stylish crossover that's turning heads. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's dive in. The Volkswagen Taigo comes with two engine options to choose from. First up is the 1.0-liter TSI engine, producing a respectable 95 horsepower. If you're looking for a bit more power, you can opt for the 1.5-liter TSI engine, which cranks up the horsepower to an impressive 150. Both options are equipped with Volkswagen's Blue Motion technology, ensuring top-notch fuel efficiency and eco-friendly performance. The Taigo's compact design doesn't compromise on space and practicality, making it a fantastic option for families. With 438 liters of trunk space, you'll have no problem fitting your luggage, groceries, or even baby strollers in the back. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom, ensuring comfortable journeys for passengers of all sizes. Plus, the 60/40 split folding rear seats provide extra flexibility for loading larger items or accommodating more passengers. Volkswagen is known for its attention to detail and quality, and the Taigo is no exception. The interior is adorned with high-quality materials and modern design elements, creating a pleasant and comfortable atmosphere for all occupants. The Taigo comes packed with a suite of cutting-edge features, such as a fully digital cockpit, wireless smartphone charging, and an 8-inch infotainment system compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additionally, you'll find an array of driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and park assist to make your driving experience both safer and more enjoyable. When it comes to fuel consumption, the Taigo is quite efficient. The combined fuel consumption for the 1.0-liter TSI engine is 5.1 liters per 100 kilometers, while the 1.5-liter TSI engine offers a slightly higher consumption at 5.6 liters per 100 kilometers. Driving the Taigo is a smooth and enjoyable experience, thanks to its well-tuned suspension, precise steering, and efficient powertrains. The crossover design allows for a higher seating position, giving you a great view of the road and making it easy to maneuver through city streets and tight parking spaces. And that's a wrap on our quick review of the Volkswagen Taigo. If you're in the market for a stylish and practical crossover that doesn't skimp on features or comfort, the Taigo should definitely be on your shortlist. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.